Welcome. In this video, we'll briefly review what's new in weather application on macOS 27 Golden Gate. So let's open our weather application and let's see what we have here. So basically the interface didn't much change since macOS 26 Tahoe, but right now we have things more categorized, even more than before. So we have the things, all the informations divided into basically two columns, as you can see. And now on the left side we can see like briefings about what the weather feels like, when the sunset's gonna be, or sunrise, as well as the visibility information. And at the top of it all, we should also be able to see some highlights, which I don't see right now, maybe because this feature is not available in my region, or maybe because there are no highlights to be displayed. And on the right side we have the conditions and of course the forecast for the future week, or I think it's 10 days. And we can also categorize all of these conditions by, for example, the rain or the wind, and then we can see some separate information about it in the separate columns. And this way we can get to know much easier what we want to learn from the weather forecast. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.